Hello, I'm Yoshi Chislak, and today we are talking about the mindset of a cellist and an art lover in times of tech revolution. First, the quickest summary of what you shall do this week. Be silly, be totally free, and allow yourself to sound like an idiot. For the next 7 days, just have a blast and plenty of laughs. While you take the most creative approaches to have fun dating the cello, there's only actually one way to fail at it, and it is to take yourself too seriously. From my experience, it's worth taking the time to build and thrive in this relationship that you're just building. The bond with the cello and fine arts in general, you need to establish it. And it happened that by binging art, you are going to save your sanity, and as research confirms, you will slow down cognitive decline of your brain as you age and increase your focus among a list of other health benefits. It's incredible. At the same time, similarly to meeting a new person, you shall accept already today that this relationship is meant to be a process and a game of patience, gentleness, and curiosity towards inner discoveries bigger than a mere illusion of oneself. You will have a fantastic experience by doing something only you can do, because only you can learn on top of the knowledge I and other professionals pass to you, so that eventually you will start sounding as yourself. And I will state in advance, no, you can't build an AI agent to learn an instrument for you. And if you have any doubt in 2025 or beyond watching this, whether I am a deepfake, or if research is actually proving benefit of art on the brain, then please do your own research, but the old-fashioned way, so without using AI. For example, look, from mid-July 25, a legit article titled "Learning Music Could Reverse Brain Aging Even If You're Already Old," say scientists. It's an interesting read by BBC, so please check it out. So please wrap your head around this. Music and art are lifestyle, and we all know how easy it is to develop a healthy habit. So in the process, you decide if this lifestyle will be the most juicy part of your day or the moments of inner terror from meeting your vulnerable self. And I assure you that while it takes a moment to get used to being a hopeless toddler at something, the journey is worth it, and that the right mindset will enrich the rest of your life, regardless of your aspirations as a musician and artist. I would like to remind you that learning any category of art is a centuries-old tradition passed from one master to another, and this tradition is not meant to be rushed. I repeat, your body is not meant to be overwhelmed by an ocean of interpretations and methods, which you can access thanks to the internet, always available just one swipe away. So please, get rid of the idea that you can fully learn to play an instrument by only passively watching pre-recorded videos. You actually need a community, and I don't care if it's in real life or online, but while you self-learn in the practice room, unless you are a top professional, you will need one-on-one lessons and group interactions in order to get rid of the parasite habits and come any near your full potential as a musician. So in the first week, in the next 7 days, I want you to get off the internet in relation to the cello. Stop clicking. Stop stuffing your brain with dozens of variants of the same content, and just chill and fool around this instrument without any idea of what you're doing. Just enjoy having a blast. Make funny sounds. Make your cello sound like a cow or a fart, or just imagine that you're a composer for a horror movie. Spook others, and foremost, be creative for yourself. And in the middle of it, search for another spectrum. Find other sounds, perhaps more gentle, more beautiful, slower, super slow, soft side, the speaking, the singing quality. And in all these joyful adventures with your new friend, the cello, you shall remember not to freeze your body. Feel the touch of wood, the metal under your fingertips. I urge you once more not to freeze your body in whatever you do. Don't get stuck thinking and disconnecting from the rest of your body. I call you to feel your body and to keep asking yourself for the next 7 days, am I feeling relaxed all around while I'm just starting to date the cello and I'm not sure what I'm doing? Just keep asking yourself. And I assure you that when I started, I was chilled beyond belief. Shout out to my non-musical family. And look at me, nearly 30 years later, I'm still playing, never had a serious injury, and I'm having a blast passing on generational knowledge. Thank you to my cello teachers, because even my teachers, such famous people of the past times, they are totally alive within me, which is quite amazing. Thank you. So if you decide to stay later with me or another pro, you will face the reality of music and art learning, making and getting better at it, the discipline, the structure, the slow, non-linear progress, and the beauty of small and bigger wins, even the beauty of failing, and learning so much from it all that art is offering you. You will get to know the inner parts of yourself that you didn't know existed. It's incredible. And that's what it is about. Welcoming the beginning of a beautiful journey ahead of you, specifically you, which is not a competition won, for example, by starting to sound or be seen as effortless or as fast as some of the great masters of the past or present, but a world where professional art and artists welcome people aged 5 to 95, professionals, amateurs, hobbyists, and seasonal players. Because the purpose here is that you develop a healthy habit, a habit which is not meant to numb your emotions. Shout out to Netflix and Ben & Jerry, but to offer a timeless skill of understanding of something other than just chasing money and eventually dying young or old. We, professional artists, invite you to develop profound passion for art in your life, which is only possible when it is fueled by sensitivity to nature, to animals, to the world and environment around you, and the beauty of life and living even in the most unfavorable conditions, where you can lighten up your and your community's day by an act of creation. All of it is meant fundamentally to be experienced away from the screen, both now in 2025 and in 50 years, because if you are purposely not creative, you are missing a part of what it means to be a human. And with this in mind, I leave you be this week, and please do have fun, and only after 7 days, watch next video. That's actually when I will be releasing the next video. So because of the delayed gratification actually works. And I have as well curious mind, but for Christ's sake, just get off the screen and get into fooling around with a cello. Bougie bougie.